Welcome back, everyone. Let's talk weather impacts. Brittany Van Voorhees is joining us right now. You got some beautiful looks behind you.
Yeah, they really do look nice, Vanessa. Today was not bad at all by any stretch of the imagination. It was breezy, though, but we did have some clouds mixing in. And I know a lot of you saw a little bit of rain. It certainly wasn't heavy, but it was rain nonetheless. But remember, that was round one of two significant rounds that could come in the second in just a few hours from now. Now, before that arrives, the winds are still gusting around 25 to 30 miles an hour across most of the Piedmont. But notice the latest wind gusts up in Jefferson at 52, Boone at 37, which is close to tropical storm force. And that's because they're seeing that secondary round push through right now. Notice even through the morning hours, we're still going to be looking at 20 to 25 for the Charlotte area. And of course, the mountains will still be gusting close to 40 miles an hour. So that does mean that if you go leaf peeping, maybe later on this week, there could be more leaves on the ground than just a few days or so ago. Here's where the line is at this hour. It's moving through southwestern parts there in southeastern areas of Burke County, just south of Lenoir, heading really right for Alexander County as well as Catawba County. Time frame here to arrive in some of these spots. Maiden, Newton closer to 7 o'clock. You can see Moxville, Kings Mountain around 7:15. Remember, give or take about 5 to 10 minutes here. This is just an estimate, but Gastonia, Mooresville around 7:30, and then even towards 7:30, 7:45 for Salisbury, which means closer to 8, if not 8:15 for the Charlotte metro area. Moving through very quickly, though, most of these are not producing significant thunderstorm risk, but there have been very gusty winds. Again, you saw there between 35 to 45 miles an hour. Otherwise, speaking of storms, we do have a new area of investigation from the National Hurricane Center. We've been watching this one for a few days. Now it's entering the Eastern Caribbean and is being dubbed a high chance of development over the next 7 days. Now, the Caribbean as well as the Southern Gulf are two places we do look toward for the latter half of October historically for potential tropical development. But as of now, big question marks as to where it could go. It is not something that we're immediately concerned about, but certainly something we're watching, again, just based on where it is right now in the Eastern Caribbean. You can trust our team to continue to bring you updates every step of the way. Here's the Jerry Hunt Supercenter 7-day forecast. Gorgeous weather after this cold front rolls in, and then another really nice weekend ahead next week for the Checkers, 49ers, and the Panthers.
Looks good. Brittany, thank you.